Well, we had so much fun in that segment with Vicky making that hoop, and I wanted to try one of my own. So I have a hoop, and I've chosen to use a brightly colored photo because that's more my style. And I pulled a couple different pieces of pattern paper that I thought I might be able to use. So I wanted to show you some examples here. So the first one you can see has these Polaroid frames, and I thought, well, that would be kind of fun. And I auditioned my photo, and I thought I could take a pair of scissors and I could simply cut this out, right? I could even include this little memories bit and the pennant and put it right down onto my hoop. Another option that I pulled out is look at this set of journaling tags. Well, actually, something that could be really neat is, for instance, this blue one. I could cut it out, place my photo right over that circle, and I would have this really cool pattern, which I also think would work really well for a vintage photo. But then I remembered that Stacy had shown us this beautiful journal a couple weeks ago. So I went in with my scissors and I kind of yanked up the cover here so I could take this piece with me, and I put it on the hoop, and it was kind of magical. But then I needed to fit my photo in there. So I just started wiggling the flowers up and down, pulling these little pieces, and of course I wanted to cover that text up because it's not really a journal anymore. And you can see just slipping it right under the stick pins and everything. Of course I have this word my. Now I could have, of course, gotten under there and tried to get it out. But instead, what I did is I took this little tag, which I cut from a piece of pattern paper, and I slid it right under so that you can see in no time at all, you have this little hoop. And of course, Vicky gave us a tip, which I really liked, which is that you can either put it so that it's coming off a little bit to change it up. I could add some flowers and stuff here, or you can put it right in the center. And this is a great gift to send maybe to my friend Riv, who's in the photo with me.